Welcome everybody. So today we are making a basic template of a quarter circle skirt. So I will use this template whenever I want to make a quarter circle skirt or a quarter circle dress. So let us begin. I have my pattern paper here already rolled out and ready. So I will start working on the upper corner here. So this is where I'll put down my waist measurement. So my waist measurement goes like this. I will take my waist measurement and divide it by half of a pie. So a full pie is 3.14, and then when you half it, you get 1.57. So it will be my waist measurement, which is 80 centimeters, and then I will divide it by 1.57, and then I will get 50.9. So I can go on and round it up to make it 51 centimeters. Okay. After that, I go on and put down the 51 centimeters. So I put my tape measure from the corner down to where 51 centimeters is. And then I go on and rotate the tape measure and keep dotting the 51 centimeters to make my waist. And then I'll go on and measure the length of the skirt. So I'll put my tape measure from the waist down to where I want the length to be. So I want my skirt to be 60 centimeters. So I'll put it from the waist down to where 60 centimeters is. And then I'll go on, keep doing the same thing, rotating the tape measure and keep dotting until I reach the other side. After that, we go on to the waist. So I want to half the waist now. Okay, so when I put my tape measure around the waist, I must get my waist measurement, which is 80 centimeters. Okay, so half of 80 centimeters is 40 centimeters. So that is where I will half my waist. So that is 40 centimeters. I'll put a dot at 40 centimeters. And then I'll go on and draw a line from the corner, from the point of the corner, and then straight to where I've put the 40 centimeter dot there. Okay, so I'll draw a line there, and then I'll go on and extend the line down to the length line, okay, down to where the skirt ends. Okay, so I'll try and keep the line straight when I extend it down to the length of the skirt. Okay, and now we are moving on. So you choose now here which side you want to move on with. You choose the other side or you choose any other side. So both sides are equal now. So I'll choose this side. So what you want to do now is that we go on again to the waist and half the side now. Okay. So remember the total waist is 80 centimeters. We halved it to 40 centimeters. Now we're gonna half the halved side. So we have 40 centimeters, so we half it is 20 centimeters, and then you put a dot again. And then after that, you go on and take the tape measure again and measure the hem of the skirt like this. You want to measure the whole hem of the skirt like this, and then you want to half it as well. You want to mark the half of that line there. Okay, so mine is 90 centimeters, and then when I half it, it is 45 centimeters. So I'll put a dot there at 45 centimeters, and then I'll go on and connect the two dots. I'll connect the waist the waist dot with the hem dot. And now I'll go on and cut out my template. So this is just a basic template. I did not add any seam allowances and zip allowances and things like that. So whenever I am working or I am using the template, I will add those at the time. Okay. And lastly, I'll go on and mark my template. So I'll use my template as the front and the back of the skirt whenever I make the skirt. And then I'll also go on and make a place on fold mark there, so that I know whenever I use the template, my fabric must be folded on. The pattern or the template must be put on fold, so that I'll be able to get a full front or a full back. And also remember to label your template as quarter circle skirt.